Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your Google Chrome cache. So let's get right into it. First up, why clear your Chrome cache? Your browser cache keeps information from sites you have visited like images and web pages. While this helps pages load faster, in the future, over time, it can lead to issues like outdated data, slower browser performance, and even privacy concerns. Clearing your cache can refresh your browsing experience, making it smoother and more secure. Now that we understand the importance of clearing cache, let's go through the steps to do just that. Open your Google Chrome browser. At the top right corner, you will see three vertical dots. Click on it to open the menu. In the menu, click Clear Browsing Data. This will bring up the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, time range option allows you to choose from the drop-down how far back you want to clear data. You can choose from the range of last hour up until all time. I'm selecting all time for a complete cleanup. There are checkboxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. For clearing the cache, it's not necessary to clear your browsing history, so you can leave that unchecked if you prefer. Checking cookies and other site data will log you out of most sites, but is essential for privacy and to resolve certain issues. Checking cached images and files will clear all those stored temporary internet files, which help pages load quicker. Once you're ready, click on the Clear Data button at the bottom. And there you have it. Your Google Chrome cache is now cleared. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.